Apache Maven is the most used build management or project management tools in the Java world. It makes the life of a developer very easy. From this course, you are going to master all the Maven fundamentals while working and building a Java web application end to end using Maven. This is Bharat Thippireddy. I am a Java architect. I have been designing, developing, and building Java web applications or enterprise applications for the last 13 years. We will start this course learning what Maven is and what convention over configuration means. You will also learn why we should be using Maven over other build tools. That is the advantages of using Maven. You will then hop on to the how portion by installing Maven and all the other required software. You will create a very simple Maven project from the command line while learning the various core concepts such as the project object model, the plugins and goals that Maven uses, the various Maven coordinates that we define in the Maven configuration, and also the repositories that Maven creates and maintains. You will then work on an end-to-end use case where you will create a standalone Java project. You will create a Maven web application which will use this standalone Java project. And finally, you will bundle these two together by creating a multi-module Maven project. While doing this, you will learn the various concepts such as using and creating Maven projects from within Eclipse, as well as building them from the command line. Customize the Maven default settings. You will also learn how to run and skip the unit tests from within Eclipse as well as command line. Adding external dependencies to our project such as Spring, as well as configure, parent and child in a multi-module Maven project.